Okay, welcome to another morning broadcast. This week has been a great week. Yesterday, quantum names and AI companies really gave us some really good setups, and we took advantage of it live. I'll cover some of those this morning. But KZIA really ran just now. We had three stocks that I had on watch for this morning. KZIA is one of them that I traded, and what I'll do this morning is I'll cover a little bit of that, but what we'll do is we will jump into the game plan because that one has really taken off. I have some alarms set here. We'll trade it live together if it pulls back. Okay. All right. So let's talk big picture real quick. So big picture, as I mentioned, if we look at the SPYs and the Qs, overall market has become pretty complacent in regards to the, in regards to ARAI. Yeah, ARAI actually popped up later in the day. Let's see, my trading view is moving slow. Come on. Yeah. Let's get to it. What's up? All right. All right. All right, here we go. Sometimes you gotta reset it. Okay, so KZI, yeah, look at big picture. SPYs, come on. They don't want me to look at the SPYs this morning. All right, lead page. All right, let's work on it. So I'll just give a quick summary. Overall market is becoming complacent, and quantum tech AI is leading. That's it. Same narrative as we discussed. So let's jump into this morning. So KZIA, this one popped up and initially looked a little weak. The catalyst is decent. Preclinical data just moved sideways. It wasn't until about here where I entered, and that pulled back and then eventually spiked. So this was, the entry was smaller risk. Then when it pulled back, put more risk here on the second entry. When it spiked, this candle came down, but the buyers held the bid. We kept pushing, and price pulled up. Then price pulled back. I didn't catch this one. I was just working on the game plan, looking around. I missed this, and this one I actually took off to try to get the game plan ready and the YouTube and everything. So that's a fault of mine, but I hope that you all were able to take advantage of KZIA. This one back crossing above VWAP. This one here as well. We started to see the volume spike up, and then we had micro pullback here, or just some consolidation and another move there higher. So we'll see what happens here, if we'll have another leg. But I think this is all just a short squeeze right now. The shorts got squeezed, trying to take the other side of this bounce. This move to the upside, and we see the volume accelerating. And I believe this is all just a short squeeze. Catalyst is pretty decent. So I have no problem taking advantage of the short squeeze though. NAOV, this one is one that I also entered, but took a loss on. I didn't see it until around here, and it kept consolidating. Small loss though. I entered, just the bids were stepping up, clearing out the shorts. What you see here is, as prices is sort of squeezing higher, the bids were squeezing higher as well. I didn't put a lot of size on this one because if you look at the daily, look at this. The daily, it's just been a perpetual downtrend, right? So I was looking to just squeeze a little bit out of that. because the the bids were pretty much holding. I didn't see it here, or else I would have gotten earlier. But as we broke, consolidated here, and started to pop, I did buy a little bit, and then I exited here. So see risk, and then just cut it around like 50%. I didn't let it come down just because it should have worked out right away. So NAOV, that one was just saw a window and tried it out, but it didn't work out. All right, so HDST, this is another one that popped this morning earlier. As soon as that pre-market volatility comes in, it's moved sideways, pops here. We have that momentum set up, and then that one runs, and then eventually just starts to consolidate a little bit here. Hits the 9 EMA. Small, it gave us opportunity for entry here. I didn't take any of these, and then it eventually faded. So HDST is on the list. We'll see if it reactivates and does something again. But those are the pre-market ideas for this morning. We had a few others that popped on the scan, but those were the best ideas. Okay, all right. So TRNR is another one that popped up on news about crypto, raising money for a crypto treasury. Pop, pulls back, it's underneath VWAP, and I keep an eye on it. But the catalyst is it's decent. It may suffer from dilution, so traders may be cautious on that one. Also, it's been fairly weak, so we'll see. I don't mind if volume comes in. Of course, I don't mind trading it. All right, so let's go back to big picture. Okay, yeah, RAI did give it. We saw it, but I saw it kind of late. Okay, so going back to quantum. Quantum names, QUBT gave a phenomenal setup when we were on the call. I didn't catch that one, but I caught RX, same exact setup. So this one pops, pulls back all the way down to the low of the day, and then creeps back up, and it's been active in the pre-market. Quantum is hot right now because NVIDIA CEO, well, not just for today, today, NVIDIA CEO made a statement which is helping quantum continue. There's a lot of catalysts that came out that is helping the overall trend, and then with NVIDIA CEO making the statement, I'd definitely be looking at the quantum names. So we see QUBT, RGTI, all those are moving already. So we'll see what happens at the open, and if we can structure an entry. They're breaking highs. Like RGTI broke out of a daily. It's like I would probably say, about a weekly range here. Broke out of it, and see, and it's creating new highs. So that one, so it's one of interest, especially if it comes back to that resistance that broke out, tight resistance in pre-market, and it's a daily level. So we'll see if we get something there. All right, so quantum names are on watch, primarily QUBT and QUBT and RGTI on the lower end, IONQ on the higher end as well. IONQ was in a range as well here, and it's breaking daily highs there. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, those are active now. All right, RX, that was one of the best trades of the year for me, the RXRX, QUBT, those trades. But the RXRX is the one I actually took. But so that was like one of the best trades. Super clean, really sized well, really scaled out well. I mean, it was very, very nice. QUBT was another idea that was really good, but I didn't catch it. I just caught, they were both happening at the same time. Caught RX though. All right, so RXRX has been on a multi-day trend. Yesterday did something similar to what quantum did, and I prefer the quantum over RXRX because of what NVIDIA CEO said, but I will trade this one as well if you know, if it's in play. Okay, so we'll take advantage of it if volume comes in at the open. All right. So quantum and so MVTS Navitas is one we took advantage of a few days. Monday and yesterday was more ranging, so I didn't take a trade on that one. I did have to look back on. Let me see my blotter. Oh, I think we were attempting. We were looking at it. We were looking at a trade on Navitas. I may have took a small entry, but not much. And yeah, I think it just wasn't working out. It was moving choppy yesterday, but eventually started to run again, and it's holding up well. So it may not have been active yesterday, but we may trade it today. So setting alarms on it and looking for a quality entry on Navitas. Okay, KLTO, this one multi-day trade. It's faded off, so setting alarms on it to see if it is going to pull back, or if that's the end of that one. Okay, so it's pulled back quite a bit, so we'll see how that one shapes up. And these are a few that we were looking at, just kind of had on watch, but no need to cover them. Need to cover. So one more that I wanted to cover is LVWR. This has been on a multi-day rally. It was in our game plan a few times, and yesterday pre-market, I'm sorry. Yesterday, like maybe closer to the mid-morning, this one started to rally, and then it ran all day, and it's been holding up pretty well. So just watching out on that one as well. All right. Okay, so let's see. RAI gave a good micro pullback yesterday open. Yeah, we were looking at that. I think we saw it. We saw it pop, but I wasn't looking at it. I didn't trade. I was trading RXRX, but I think when I actually started looking at entering, it was a little bit higher, and I think I had to go. Yeah, I had to run exactly at 9:30 my time. I had to run to do something for my daughter. But yeah, so that one is faded off. I set alarms, but not currently interested yet. So we will see what happens today. Okay. All right. So let's keep our eye on the scan. Whoa. TRNR is recovered. All right. DPRO. These alarms didn't even trigger on TRNR. All right, so KZIA, TRNR. Now that we've broken this level, let's see what happens on the pullback. The buyers have become aggressive, so we'll see if we get an entry there. Okay. All right, so we'll add that one, and then what else you got? Talk to me. Talk to me. DPRO, Dragonfly. What's the catalyst here? Okay. This is going to dilute the shares, so that's why it's selling off now. This is one that look at for the short side. So whenever when they offer more shares to the public, then it will dilute the value of the current shares. So just imagine I'm holding on to stock at $3, and they're going to offer more shares for sale. Will dilute the value of what I'm holding. So we're seeing that sell off. Okay, what else you got? GBTC. TRNR is gone. It's closely tied to Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin is rallying, then this one will be as well. I haven't traded Mara in a minute. Monday gave a good range. Yeah. Oh, GBTC is one of the ETFs. Yeah, so, you know, let's see. Bitcoin continues to rise or not. All right. Is the micro pullback the only strategy I should focus on as a beginner? There's one I call the QO. It's another momentum setup. I think becoming really good at both of those will help out in the beginning. If you can learn which one of those, if you can differentiate between the good and the bad, it's a really good start. All right. Okay, so what's up? TRNR is pulling back. All right. Hey, if you're on, please smash that like button. It helps out. Just when you join, just hit it if you enjoy these streams. So I really appreciate you all for being here every day. And if you're on the YouTube, but you're in the community, join the Zoom in the Zoom links tab. It'll be a lot easier for you. You won't have to switch over once we go live. Okay. All right. So let's see what we get today. Okay, so go ahead and get prepared, plug up your hotkeys, write down your plan. I journal every single day. Every day I'm journaling, every day. So it's important for, I don't have a video, public video on it, Abdur. I'll do one though, but yep, please smash the like button. But yeah, just keep showing up, work on your stock selection. If you're in the names that are running, they have volume, that's half the battle. And then after that is all execution. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close down the stream, the YouTube, and let's get to it, y'all. Let's get ready. And I've already journaled like pages already. I use ChatGPT. It really helps out, makes it easier. I'll throw my Zoom link, my Loom links in there, my recordings, screenshots, and then I dump my TradeZilla template in there afterwards, and it organizes all my thoughts. So that's a little cheat code there. But make sure you're journaling, and I'm working every single day to improve. No matter how advanced you get in the game, you're gonna be always constantly improving, working on something. Okay. All right. Hope y'all have a good day, and we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.